Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a good day and living a healthy and prosperous life. So I've come again here in the video to speak about a cue card which I picked for today's video. And so you can see myself like how fluent I am and how much mistakes I'm doing, because initially we are a beginner, so we make mistakes. So that is a part of game, right? So it is about describing a time when you are waiting for something special that would happen. So this is the cue card which I got from the Google basically, and so I have prepared for it. I have also wrote down the words which I'm going to speak in this video, which can like structure a topic basically. So without wasting our time, let's jump into this video. Okay. So it was a time around last year when I was waiting for something special to happen, because I have also enrolled for like to getting a visa of one of country which is very closest to my dream, and that is a dream country for me, like that is Netherlands. And in the Netherlands I want to visit in Norway. So for that I have applied visa for that, and in the same time there is my birthday month as well. And so for that I got from the family, and so that I got something that there is something special going to happen like in this month. That suggestion I got from my family, and so at the time I was applied for that, right? And so after that I got a letter from the counselor, and that my visa not got accepted, and because due to some reason I cannot able to travel. So yeah, this is a big thing in that month, and so I consult with my family members. So one of thing happened that from my family, and there is one relative they found out in that particular city, and they are like sponsoring me. That is the craziest thing I got to know from then, and because of that I'm able to travel to that country in that month. That is a basically a special thing for me, and for that I have basically wait for around 2 to 3 weeks, and basically I'm an impatience guy, but after getting this news I was very happy, and I am over the moon basically. And so yeah, for this video I think probably I have speak around not more than 2 minutes, but like approx 1 hour 1 minute 50 seconds. So yeah, upcoming days I'm going to speak a longer video, and you can see my practices as well. Like I'm going to speak more on cue cards in particular one video. Like currently I'm speaking on one topic and one cue card, but rather than I'm going to enhance my speaking, enhance and like increase my speaking time as well on the cue card, because that is the thing which will help a beginner to get that level, right? So for cue card that is important. So in upcoming days I'm going to do the same thing. And so for this video, that is it. I hope you found this video helpful if you are a beginner. So that is it. Bye bye, have a good day.